Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So in today's video you will get to know how to convert text into speech using Python programming. We would need a module to do this, which is pyttsx3. We could install it using a pip command, which is pip install followed by the module name. After this is installed, import this module and then initiate it using a variable. Engine would be equal to pyttx3 dot init bracket. You would take the input from the user now through text is equal to input, enter your text here. Now we will instruct the engine to say the text by engine.say bracket text, and now we will simply end this program using engine.runAndWait. Now let's run this program and see whether it's working or not. Python programming convert text to speech.
Python programming to convert text to speech.